Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. So for today's video, I'm sharing with you all of my favorite products from the month of September. I have not seen you guys for a little bit, so I have quite a few things to talk to you guys about. A lot of amazing products, a lot of things I've been really loving, and I'm just gonna share those with you guys today. So if you wanna stick around and see all of my favorite must-have products, hair products, skincare products, makeup products from the month of September, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I'm starting with hair products first, and very rarely do hair products excite me. I love skincare, I love makeup, and when it comes to hair, I'm just like, ugh, like I don't even like to do my hair. I would hire someone if I could to do my hair every day. I hate doing my hair. So when I'm talking about a hair product, it means it is so good and that I'm so blown away by it. First things first, we're gonna talk about this right here. And I'm sure you guys have all seen this. This is that Dyson hair dryer, and I'm banging the cord around. This is the Dyson hair dryer, and I finally got my hands on it, finally bought it, I mean, maybe like 6 weeks ago or so. It is so good. The whole time, every time I'm using it, I'm like, why did I not buy this sooner? It is amazing. It dries your hair so much quicker. I have extensions and it takes me forever to dry my hair. And using this hair dryer has cut my dry time down, honestly, probably by like 30%. It is so much faster. I get such a good blow dry. It's smooth. It's amazing. I literally cannot believe it took me this long to buy it. This is another hair product that I have to mention. I am obsessed. This is the Colorescience, the 8-hour magic night serum. So they just came out with this. Now, if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know I love Colorescience products. They are so good. They're like, yeah, they're my top favorite hair care line. I use so many other products. So they just came out with this. It was just released. It's like an overnight serum for your hair. You just take a couple pumps of this, and what I do at night, take a couple pumps, and then I just kind of do this, and then I just run it through my hair, and then you sleep on it, and you don't have to wash it out. You can even just get up and go the next day. It kind of soaks in your hair. This will transform your hair from damaged to soft and manageable and just amazing. So if you have damaged hair and you are trying to get your hair back to healthy, I cannot even tell you enough how much you need this product. It will completely blow your mind. All right, last hair product that I have to mention is this little guy right here. This is the Olaplex, the new bonding oil. I love it. So there's two ways you can use this. You can use this on wet hair, like after you get out of the shower, and just kind of like run it through your damp hair. But what I love doing is I actually take this in sections when I'm drying my hair, and I will put it on like right before I'm drying my hair. So I'll section out my hair. I always section out my hair in like sections, and then I dry, you know, different sections when I'm blowing out my hair. And this creates smooth, soft, amazing hair. It could take like coarse hair and make it super soft and just shiny and nice, and I've been loving this. Okay, moving on from hair care, we're gonna talk about skincare, which you know is my thing. I have to mention this SPF. I've been so in love with this. This is the Colorescience Unforgettable Total Protection Face Shield Bronze. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you have heard me talk about this because I've been absolutely in love with this. This is a mineral SPF 50. It is all zinc oxide, so it's so good for your skin. But the thing that I love about this is it comes out in a bronze tint like this. And when you apply this to your skin, it literally makes your skin look flawless. Like no foundation needed, flawless tan bronze skin. And oh, do you guys see what that does? I am so in love with this. I use this all the time on my no foundation days. I will just put this on as my foundation, and then I'll just spot conceal any like little concealer. That's it. Like, it's so easy to just get up and go with this. It's your complete amazing SPF, but kind of like your foundation in one. So I have been absolutely loving this. This actually comes in a limited edition little set by Colorescience. So it has the face shield, but then it also has the body shield. And the body shield does just the same thing as the face. So when you're applying the body SPF, which is so beneficial, you guys, we should all be using like a body SPF every single day. The Body SPF has amazing ingredients to hydrate, make your skin look amazing. There are anti-aging ingredients in it, but then it also has that same bronze tint. So it's kind of like makeup for your body, where it completely like evens out your skin tone, hides like little sun damaged spots, hides little veins, and makes your legs, makes your arms look amazing. And I have been obsessed. So I know so many of you guys have been saying I need to do an updated skincare routine morning and night, which I will absolutely be doing really soon. But I will tell you this, I am still using my Osmosis Renew, my level 4. This is my vitamin A serum. I'm still using this every single night. I love it so much. I can't even tell you how long I've been using this. So as you guys know, if you follow me for a while now, these are the two products that I've been using every single night. So I combine the Osmosis Renew and the Truth Treatments Vitamin C Truth Balm, which is a very, very, very high potency vitamin C. And the combination of vitamin A and vitamin C at night has done amazing wonders to my skin. Honestly, I can't beat these two. It's just the best combination. So what I've been doing is I've been kind of switching up what I've been mixing my vitamin A with, and I will never skip a night of vitamin A ever in my life. This is the best vitamin A I've ever come across. It is non-damaging to your skin. It doesn't give you irritation or redness or peeling or flaking, yet it firms, it tightens, it builds collagen. It is amazing. So this is my go-to vitamin A of choice. So what I've been doing is kind of just mixing it up with the Skinmedica. This is the Glypro, which this is an antioxidant serum. So this is basically your antioxidant plus glycolic acid. And these at night are so amazing as well. This combination I've been absolutely loving. So the Skinmedica Glypro, like I said, it's your antioxidant, it's your vitamin C. It has different antioxidants in here, but then also has, I believe, like a 10 or 12% glycolic acid, which glycolic acid is amazing at night too for just refreshing the skin. So the combination of these two right here, I've been absolutely loving. I've been waking up with like bright, super just like glowing, amazing skin. So I've just been kind of switching it up at night. I either do my osmosis with my C Truth Balm, or I've been doing my osmosis with the Skinmedica Glypro. And like I said, honestly, they both just give amazing, glowing, brightening results to my skin, and I wake up with very happy skin. All right, so moving on to makeup now. I definitely have a lot of makeup to share with you guys right now. This has been my go-to under eye setting powder. It's the Charlotte Tilbury. It's called the Magic Powder Under Eye and Face Powder. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. If you have more mature under eyes, this is so light. It doesn't sink into any lines or creases, and it makes your under eye just bright and flawless. It's what I have on my under eyes today. It's like a very, very light pink. If you can see that right here, it's like a light pink powder. It is amazing. It's not a heavy powder. It doesn't cake up under the eyes, and it's probably one of the best under eye setting powders I have ever used. This palette I have completely rediscovered this month. This is the Viseart Neutral Mattes. This came out, gosh, a couple years ago, and I've been obsessed with it ever since. But you know, God, there's so many palettes that come out and so much new makeup, and you're constantly trying new makeup. But I rediscovered this palette this month, and it has just been my go-to. If you want an easy, quick, matte eye look, just super easy, that's what I have on today. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot recommend this enough. They completely blend themselves. They are no work at all. You get the best eye look. The colors are so universal. Anybody can use them. And it's been my go-to daily look, whether I'm going on like a daytime meeting or daytime lunch, or if I'm going out at night, I have used this palette. Okay, this one I want to talk about, and you guys just saw me use this in my testing new makeup products. That video I just had out just a little bit ago. I will link it down below if you want to see me test out a bunch of new makeup. But I have been loving this new NARS palette. This is the Free Lover Cheek Palette, and I can't even tell you, I was on the fence about buying this because I was like, I have so many like different NARS blushes. Do I really need this palette? Yes, this palette is amazing. It's got like literally all the best colors in it. I can't put it down. The corally pink shade is what I have on today, and I have used every single color in here, including the highlight. You get all these blushes, but then you also get a highlight. I have used this entire palette and it's amazing. I love it. The NARS blushes are so good on your cheeks. They last forever all day. The colors are like vibrant and beautiful, and they make your face come alive, and every single color in here is bomb. I have not been able to put this down at all. I will swatch just like a couple of the shades so you can see how good this is. Okay, can you see all the different blush tones? And then up here somewhere on my knuckles, I put the highlighter. So you can see the highlighter and then just a couple of the different blushes. So amazing. Okay, speaking of palettes, I love this. I love this palette. Oh, if you were gonna buy one thing this month, this should be it. This is the Cover FX. This is the Perfector Face Palette. And again, you guys saw me use this in my testing new makeup video, and I cannot put this down. Every single day I've been reaching for this. I love it so much. This is probably one of my favorite purchases in a long time of makeup. I love the contour shade. Again, let me explain. There is a light to medium, which is this one, and then there's a medium to dark. So if you have a darker skin tone, there is a different, color combination, but this is the light to medium. The contour shade is what I have on now for my like contour / bronze. I have on the highlighter and the brightener, which you can see is so glowy and so pretty. I have on the finishing powder down the T-zone, and I have used the blush many times. I just don't have it on today because I used the NARS palette, but I'll show you guys what the blush looks like. So beautiful. That's the blush right there. Everything in this palette is to die for. The pigmentation is amazing. It's just blends so smoothly on your skin. The colors are perfect, and I could not love anything more. Like I said, I've been using this every single day. I cannot put it down. Absolutely love it. Completely recommend this, you guys. This is amazing. And the thing that I love about Cover FX too is that they're like better for your skin. There's not a lot of harsh chemicals and just, fillers and crap in their products. Cover FX makes quality products. So I love that. Okay, so before I discovered the Cover FX palette, the whole face palette that I just shared with you, this was my go-to highlighter. It's the Charlotte Tilbury, it's the Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. It comes in a little like sponge squeezy tube like this. I pretty much used this the entire month until I got the Cover FX, and then I was using the highlighter in this. But this highlighter, so you just pretty much dab it onto your skin. I would take this, easily just dab it onto your skin so easily, over powder, it doesn't matter. And you just blend it out, and it creates the most beautiful natural glow to your skin. But natural as in like really glowy, like a really glowy natural look, if that makes any sense, because it's not like shimmery, or it doesn't look like you have like a chunky highlight on your face, because if you really blend it in nice, it just creates a really, really pretty glow. So that's what I mean by like natural but super glowy. I love this highlighter. It's probably one of my favorite highlighters of all time. Oh my God, my boyfriend is going to kill me for talking about this, but he literally got me really in love with this product again, and you guys are gonna crack up. It's the Dermablend, the loose setting powder. This is like that white powder. God, it's been around forever. It's like this white powder, and it comes with this little sponge, little kind of thing like this. This is so funny. This product has been a lifesaver for me this summer. It keeps my T-zone so matte. If I start to get like a little oily, I'll just take a little bit of this powder onto this little sponge that it comes with, and I just, dab it over my T-zone, and it completely takes away shine. I stay oil-free for so long with this powder. If you have oily skin, this is a must. And yes, like my boyfriend, he is the one that got me back into this because he uses this. When we go out at night, before we leave to go out, he'll like dab this on his T-zone, and he's like, yeah, like this is like keeps my skin like, non-shiny, and this is amazing. And I'm like, really? So I started using it, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm like, it really does keep me really not as oily as I normally am, because I have oily skin, and so does he. So we both just stay not shiny with this Dermablend product, and it's hilarious because I had this in my drawer over here and didn't think anything of it until I saw him using it. I'm like, what are you doing? What are you putting on your skin? He's like, you know, explaining how he stays so, you know, matte and not shiny with it. So I did try it and it's amazing. And now I cannot stop using it myself. So if you follow me on Instagram or if you've watched some of my previous videos, this has been my go-to mascara, hands down. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, and I love it. I've been using this for months now. I can't put it down. I have not picked up any other mascara. I keep ordering more when I finish one. I just love it so much. It is so black. It gives such amazing, amazing like volume to your lashes, volume, length. It gives you that false eyelash look, which I personally really, really love. This is the mascara I have on today. This is the mascara I wear on, gosh, all my Instagram posts. I get so many comments like, what are you using? What products are you using on your lashes? This is the mascara. Okay, so we're gonna finish up with some lip products here. The Anastasia Pure Hollywood Liquid Lipstick has been my go-to seriously every single day of this month. Oh my gosh, I tried to like reach for other lip products and then I'm like, no, I kind of want the Pure Hollywood. So I've been wearing this every single day. This is what I have on my lips right now. I love this liquid lip. I used to be in love with this years ago. Gosh, when this came out, which was how long ago? A long time ago. I used to be in love with it, but then I just rediscovered it and I can't put it down. It is the most perfect neutral. It goes with every single makeup look. And I just love it. That's kind of been my go-to lip look, is just, you know, a long-lasting liquid lip, but I still really like that shiny glossy look. So I usually always top it off. Actually, always. I always top my liquid lip off with a gloss. And this has been definitely a go-to of mine this month. It's the Dior Lip Maximizer. This is the Hyaluronic Lip Plumper. I love this. This is what I have on right now. It's super shiny. It kind of gives like a minty feel to your lips, just a little bit, but it smooths out lip lines. It gives you the best, just plump, amazing looking lips. I absolutely love this. I throw this in my purse when I'm going out at night. I've been wearing it nonstop and I love it. And then to finish up this video, which is probably insanely long right now, the new Tom Ford lip glosses. Tom Ford does it again. These lip glosses are so good. I love every single one. I got 3 colors because I just kind of can't stop getting them. I have a nude one in Aura. I have a light pink in Impulse. And then I got a corally pink in Tantalize. And not only is like the packaging so insanely beautiful, but the colors are beautiful. They're vibrant. They're very pigmented. You can use these alone on your lips. There's days where I just quickly line my lips, put one of these glosses on, and I'm out the door. But they're moisturizing. They're not sticky. They feel so good on your lips. They kind of like smooth and plump out lip lines and make your lips look bomb. I am obsessed. I will swatch each color and you can just kind of see how pigmented they are. Okay, so here they are swatched. You can see how pigmented they are, the beautiful colors. I love the colors I got. The first one is Aura, which is a really pretty just pinky nude, and then Impulse, which is like a peachy pink, and then this one over here is Tantalize, which is a beautiful corally pink shade. And like I said, you can completely wear these with no lipstick underneath, just this lip gloss, and you are good to go. All right, guys, that is it. Those are all my favorite products for the month of September. I can't believe we're going into October already. Oh my gosh, where's this year going? But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. I'm going to link and list all these products in the description box. So all you have to do is open it up down there and it's easy shopping, which who doesn't love? Everything will be linked down below. And if you are not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And that is it for today, guys. I love you all. I'll see you next time. Bye.